Hey, today on What Did We Get Now? Uh, we've picked up a little body cam. I've been trying to get something to get first person views for you guys that, one, didn't break the bank. There are some beautiful ones out there, don't get me wrong. Uh, DJI company is amazing. They have a new one out that looks unbeatable. Unfortunately, I don't have the budget for that, and neither do a lot of people starting out in this. So I went budget shopping, and I found something that's half decent. So I'm going to show you, and let's see what you think.
Now this thing's so low budget, it actually doesn't even have a name. I will put a link to it in the description, but it just says camera. That's it. But this is the box. Let's open her up and see what's inside. And here's what's inside the box. You've got adhesives. You've got a GoPro mount style. You've got the actual slide mount. You've got the attachment. Now that attachment hooks to this little guy so that you can, clip it on. This will also just screw onto any of your, normal camera attachments. So in my case, probably one of my magnets, because that's what I usually use it with. It comes with instruction book in English. Another one of our little mounts. It clips onto your pocket or bill or shirt or whatever you want to clip it to. Now you don't have to clip that one to your hat because it comes with this one. It makes it look like a little flashlight. Hooks onto the bill of your baseball cap. And I have tried it with the camera in it. It's actually really light. This one is just your hang from your neck. It's rubber, just holds it in it. I put the tether on it. It does not come with one. And the start of this, we've also got the CD or card reader, SD card reader. Plugs into your phone or your computer. Charging cable. It is a C. And then the start of the show, the camera. Yeah, please ignore the date and time in the corner. It's not correct. I took a little walk through it on the cap of my hat, and as you can see, fairly clear. If I give it half a second to focus, it does quite well, but it is very jittery due to the movement. It doesn't have a stabilization software. If you have it in your editing package, you could probably edit it back out quite nicely. But I did find it very light, and I was impressed when I looked at the video afterwards of how clear it was. And this isn't a super sunny day either. So when we're running the RAM, usually my Spark camera is here, but I threw this one on just to see how it does for dash cam. And so we'll show you footage. I will run it in this camera here that I'm using, but unfortunately I don't have a plate here, so if I set it here, it may wobble around a little, but we'll see what happens and try to get some comparison video and show you what it's like. Hey, so in conclusion, the little body camera is a nice little tool. If
you're doing something where you're more stationary, but you need that little camera where it can get a nice view, it is really good. Quality seems to be good. Audio's not too bad at all. And for the price, definitely a good entry little camera for somebody wanting to do that kind of stuff. The clip that goes on your hat, amazing. It just sits there like a little headlight. You hardly feel it. Very good for that too. For us, I think I'd only use it on the hat when I'm walking around with it, because you know your movements. It just was a little too jostly. Doesn't have the action camera stabilization, and in what we're doing in the events I want to use it for, I don't think it's going to work for me, unfortunately. Otherwise, good little camera, but as a stationary camera or something smaller, I really don't need it that much. You know, might be handy in the shop, but I really don't need another camera just to maybe use it once in a while. I need something I can constantly use if I'm putting out money for it. So, to all you out there that are looking for something inexpensive as a starter camera, even something for your kids, stuff like that, great little camera, good battery life, audio's good, video's pretty good, and it's a fun little guy. As I say, my only problem is the stabilization isn't there for what we need. Otherwise, definitely a keeper. Works good as a dash cam too, but I already have like 2 of those, plus my sports cameras are mounted, so I really don't need another camera on my dash. So I'm good there. But for anyone else that needs something, definitely inexpensive, definitely a good way to go. Even as, like I say, a little dash cam, not bad. It's definitely usable, and you can download your chip and keep the stuff that happen. It will recycle too, so when it gets full, unlike my action cameras, when the car gets full, it stops taping. That's designed like a dash cam, where it gets full, it starts to rewrite over the original stuff. Keep that in mind if you're using it, because if you get it full, you're going to lose whatever you had on at the start. So download your stuff every once in a while. Be safe. Otherwise, nice little camera. I did like it. Definitely light. The little magnet, it's okay, but I don't know if I'd really trust it in a situation where it was getting bumped around. You know, like I wouldn't want to use it when I was out paintballing. The headlight, the light clip, yeah, you know, even getting hit by a paintball, it'd still hold on. It was pretty good little clip and holder for it. But you know, like I said, it depends on what you're going to use it for. I was impressed with it for its value, just not exactly what I was after, and we're going to put that money towards another camera of some sort that's a little bit more suited for what we need. But on that note, it should work for some of us. I hope that was educational. Hope you liked it, and I will see you next video.